My name is Arbaz N. Todmani of class 10th E.
To the Forest Officer, Kanha National Park, Madhya Pradesh, 481768, 28th April 2021. Respected Sir, Subject, Complaint Letter Against Illegal Hunting of Animal. I live in small village near the Kanha National Park. One day I was hanging out with my friends and I saw four people in jeep going inside the national park holding guns and went inside the national park with the help of security guard to get a complete information about it. After waiting for few hours and I saw them coming out with the tiger skin. I was shocked by seeing them. They killed innocent life for some money. It's my humble request to you and your department to take action against them and your security guard. Your faithful James Bond.
मेरा नाम प्रज्वल है। मैं 10वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ।
वन पे निबंध। वन कई जीवों का घर है। यह प्रकृति द्वारा प्रदान किया गया एक बहुमूल्य संसाधन है। वनों में रहने वाले जीव एक दूसरे पर परस्पर निर्भर है। जंगलों में जीवन हवा, पानी और सूरज की रोशनी जैसे कारकों से शासित होता है। अधिकांश जंगलों में पौधों की विविधता उपलब्ध है। क्षेत्र के जलवायु के आधार पर जड़ी बूटी, झाड़ी और पेड़ पौधे प्रकाश संश्लेषण की प्रक्रिया से अपना खाना बनाते हैं और जानवर पौधों और अन्य जानवरों पर अपने भोजन के लिए निर्भर करते हैं। कभी कभी पौधे भी परागण और बीज फैलाव जैसी प्रक्रियाओं के लिए जानवर पर निर्भर करते हैं। दुनिया भर के बड़े क्षेत्रों में फैले कई जंगलों हैं। वन को वर्गीकृत किया जा सकता है। उष्णकटिबंधीय सदाबहार, आंशिक सदाबहार, पर्णपाती और सूखे जंगलों की जलवायु स्थितियों और पेड़ के प्रकारों के आधार पर। वनों में भी झीलों, तालाबों, मिट्टी, चट्टानों आदि जैसे गैर जीवित घटकों का समावेश होता है। वन को एक पारिस्थितिक तंत्र बनाने वाले क्षेत्र के रूप में परिभाषित किया पेड़ चाहे वनों में हो या बागों में हमें फूल और फल प्रदान करते हैं। इससे लकड़ी प्राप्त होती है। लकड़ी से फर्नीचर और दूसरी चीज़ें बनाती हैं। जलाने वाली लकड़ी भी वनों से प्राप्त होती है। जंगल में जड़ी बूटियों आदि भी पाई जाती हैं। पशुओं को चारा मिलता है और पक्षियों को सहारा मिलता है। लोग लाखों रुपयों का व्यापार करते हैं। यदि पेड़ न होते तो हम भूखे मर गए होते। वातावरण दूषित हो जाता। अधिक पेड़ लगाकर जंगल को बचाया जाना चाहिए और हमें पेड़ों के काटने को रोकना चाहिए। वन्य जीव भी देखने को नहीं मिलते। बाढ़ें आ जाती, त्राही त्राही मच जाती, हरियाली न होती, लाखों रुपयों का व्यापार नहीं होता, बड़े बड़े भवन और सुंदर महल देखने को न मिलते, जलाने के लिए लकड़ी न मिलती, दवाइयाँ न होने से कई लोग प्रतिदिन मरते। अंत में मैं यही कहूँगा कि वनों का हमारा जीवन में बहुत महत्व है। वन हमारी जान है, अतः हमें अधिक पेड़ लगाने चाहिए और पेड़ों तथा पौधों की रक्षा करनी चाहिए।
My name is Muhammad Fadil Sheikh of class 10th. Deforestation. Deforestation is the permanent removal of trees to make room for something besides forest. These can include clearing the land for agriculture or grazing or using the timber for fuel, construction or manufacturing. Forests cover more than 30% of the Earth's land surface according to the World Wildlife Fund. Disadvantages of deforestation. Without trees, we lose the environment benefits they provide. Removing trees can influence global temperature. It can adversely impact local water supplies. The soil from forest lands is rarely usable right away. Deforestation can lead to issue with species extinction. Prevention of deforestation. Plant a tree where you can. Go paperless at home and in the office. Buy recycled products and then recycle them again. Buy certified wood products. Read the label and look for FSC mark. Don't use palm oil or products with palm oil. Afforestation. Afforestation is the establishment of a forest or stand of trees in an area where there was no previous tree cover. Many government and non-government organizations directly engaged in afforestation program to create forest and increase carbon capture. Benefits of afforestation: a constant supply of forest products, prevent soil erosion, stabilize the climate, has the potential of reversing global warming and climate change, better quality air, improve watershed.
My name is Himesh Ranjan, class 10th E. We are going to start topic on forest. India is among the top 10 nations in the world. According to Indian map, percentage of forest, highest geographical area is in Madhya Pradesh and Mizoram. The lowest geographical area is in Punjab, which is followed by Haryana and Rajasthan. With the help of this map, we can conclude that we should save the trees and save our planet Earth in the future.
My name is Rahul Nirmale. I am studying in 10th standard, Division E. There are 5 types of forest. First, tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests of India are found in the Andaman Nicobar Island, the Western Ghats which fringe the Arabian Sea, the coastline of peninsular India, and the greater Assam region in the northeast. Small remains of evergreen forests are found in Odisha state. Tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are the most widespread forest of India. They are also called the monsoon forest and spread over the region, recovering rainfall between 200 cm and 70 cm. Trees of this forest type shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer. There are 2 types of deciduous forest. First, moist deciduous forest. The southwestern Ghats moist deciduous forest is a tropical moist broadleaf forest ecoregion of southern India. It covers the southern portion of Western Ghats range and the Nilgiri hills between 250 and 1000-meter elevation in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu states. Second, dry deciduous forest. The northern dry deciduous forest, also known as the North Deccan dry deciduous forest, is a tropical dry broadleaf forest ecoregion of east central India. Swamp forest. India has a rich variety of these types of forests. They are mainly found in resources of Deccan Plateau, saline coast of Gujarat, Rajasthan and Gulf Coast, eastern coast, deltas, lakes and rivers of Kashmir and Ladakh. Swamps northeast India, they are part of natural vegetation in India. Tropical thorn forest. The tropical thorn forests are found in those states in our country where the average annual rainfall is too less or scanty. The semi-arid region of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and dry parts of Deccan Plateau are very much suitable for the thorn forest to thrive well and even sustain themselves for a longer time period. Mountain forest. Mountain ecosystem refers to any ecosystem found in mountains. Dense forests are common in areas of moderate elevation. The mountain ecosystems are highly affected by the climate, which gets colder as the elevation increases. At high elevation, the climate is harsher with lower temperature and higher winds, preventing the growth of trees and causing the plants community to transition to mountain, grassland, shrubland or alpine tundra.